Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect elements in Salesforce Flow. First, open your desired flow in the Flow Builder. You'll see a canvas where you can drag and drop various elements. To connect them, simply hover over an element's output node, click, and drag the line to the input node of the next element. This establishes the path your flow will follow, guiding users or automating processes seamlessly. Salesforce Flow offers several connection types to manage complex logic. For decisions, you'll connect each outcome, like yes or no, to a distinct path, ensuring the flow responds appropriately. When working with loops, connect the loop element to the collection variable, then link the loop body to the next step. Remember to also connect fault paths from actions to error handling elements for robust error management. To create efficient and maintainable flows, follow some best practices for connections. Always strive for a clean, left-to-right or top-to-bottom layout, making your flow easy to follow. Label your decision outcomes clearly, such as opportunity closed or lead converted, to understand the path's purpose at a glance. Avoid crisscrossing lines excessively. A well-organized flow is much simpler to debug and update later. After connecting your elements, thorough testing is crucial. Use the debug option in Flow Builder to simulate the flow's execution and pinpoint any connection issues. Pay close attention to the debug logs, which provide a step-by-step trace of your flow's path, highlighting where connections might be failing. If a connection isn't behaving as expected, review the order and ensure each element correctly passes data to the next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.